been a project 6 years in the making, giving domestic violence victims a place to receive full resources under one roof. I sat down with Kern County District Attorney Lisa Green to find out more about the new Family Justice Center and why it's so important in our community.
Sending emergency.
My mommy and daddy are having a fight.
I was affected by domestic violence when I was younger. I was 6 years old and my brother was 9 at the time. We lived in Texas with my mom and my dad. And my dad was a very abusive man.
On September 15, 1982, Regina's life was changed forever following an altercation between her mother and father.
My brother and I were in the doorway watching them argue, and I just remember hearing my mom say for my dad to put the gun away. The next thing you know, I remember my mom running down the hall towards us, and she turned around to my dad, and he shot her. I laid on the ground next to my mom, and I remember hearing her trying to breathe, and I remember she had blood on her chest. And he pointed the gun at us, and he told us to leave, and I didn't want to get off my mom. And I remember telling my brother, I think she's dying. And my brother laid on the ground with her, and we both were just telling her to wake up. And then she just stopped breathing.
I don't think there's any situation where a man is justified in hitting a woman.
Kern County District Attorney Lisa Green says the number of domestic violence cases has nearly doubled within the last 6 years in Kern County.
Well, over the course of the last 3 years, we've had approximately 1,700 felonies and 6,000 misdemeanor cases. So it's a total of 7,700 cases.
The troubling statistic is the reason why the Kern County District Attorney's Office is spearheading the opening of a new Family Justice Center.
What we hope to provide and what we are going to provide to domestic violence victims is one location where they can come and they can talk to the counselor from the Alliance. They'll have people located there. They can talk to someone from GBLA if there's a substance abuse or mental health issue. We'll have somebody from mental health there.
The DA's office is collaborating with over 20 area partners to bring the Justice Center to life.
The main challenge is that is trying to support the victim to go forward, to testify in court, to face their abuser.
The District Attorney's Office says the center will hopefully help to end the cycle of abuse.
There's statistics that show children who witness domestic violence when they're growing up, that many of them become victims themselves. Many of them become abusers. It's well documented in the literature. So this is something that we can also do to help children to not think that this is normal, that violence is normal in the home.
And the District Attorney's Office hopes to open that center by the end of this year. For more information on ways to get help and to look at other resources in our community for domestic violence victims, just visit our website, turn23.com.